때는 1963년의 스코틀랜드 최고 민사법원.
I saw the crowds. Played a spirited game, but we both know you don't have the guts for this.
Do we really?
I want to give you one last chance. I'll go in there, talk to my QC.
Hadn't you better take your seat?
자신감을 드러내는 이언과 어이없다는 듯 포위를 거절하는 마거리. 두 사람의 인연은 16년 전으로 거슬러 올라가죠.
I once saw you at the Café de Paris. Famous Mrs. Sweeney.
I won't be Mrs. Sweeney for much longer.
If you were mine, I'd never let you out of my sight. Captain Ian Campbell.
I know who you are. What happened next?
우연한 만남을 계기로 이야기꽃을 피우게 되고 이언 역시 이혼의 아픔을 가지고 있었다는 사실을 알게 되는데요.
Keep a diary. Some right. Off to Scotland with Captain Campbell.
운명이라 생각했던 걸까? 셰프를 단 김에 빼버리게 되죠.
Yvonne McPherson, my wonderful assistant.
I've read so much about you.
그런데 어째서인지 상황으로 드리는 게 아닌 산책을 권하게 되고.
Hello, Niall. Well,
We could sell an island, or maybe some land.
do it then.
It still wouldn't be enough to cover the costs of essential work needed to the castle, as he's so fiercely against anything he perceives as intrusion. When you inherit the Duchy of Argyll,
다름 아닌 차기 아가일 공작에 오를 후보자였던 것. 그렇지만 기뻐하는 마음 대신 근심이 더 많아 보였는데요.
You didn't tell me it was so beautiful.
It's a pile.
She's just neglected.
조만간 이연의 소유가 될 성을 다녀온 이후 이혼 절차의 속도를 내게 되죠.
Bye, darling.
이렇듯 자유의 몸이 되어 불가분함을 느끼는 것도 잠시.
There are stories about Captain Ian Campbell, you know. Not war stories, women stories.
게다가 인버렐 이성도 이연의 소유가 아니라는 소문까지. 그녀야말로 온갖 가십거리 루머에 고통을 받아왔었던 만큼 대수롭지 않다며 흘려 넘겨버리게 되지만 실상은 그녀야말로 남성 편력이 장난이 아니었던 거죠.
I thought of you the other day. We went to the monkey house. Quite fascinating. Everything they do is about sex. In and out, tossing each other off, fingering each other. In and out, in and out. Margaret is a bonobo.
It's not my fault that you don't like it, Maureen. That's not my fault.
자신을 엿먹이려는 친구에게 보기 좋게 카운터 펀치를 날리는 사이.
Lovely new mink for my lovely old wife.
It's too hot for mink.
Well, it's bloody freezing in Scotland.
마거릿을 향한 마음은 가짜였던 걸까? 부부관계에는 전혀 문제가 없어 보였고 마침내 제10대 아가일 공작 나일이 죽음을 맞게 되는데요. 이혼도 했겠다. 드디어 공작 부인이 될 수 있을 거라는 기대감에 사랑이 샘솟기 시작하죠.
The Duque de Florencia, part of the Spanish Armada. People have tried previous dukes. Cost a bloody fortune.
나일의 아들도 조카도 아니었기에 얼떨결에 공작의 자리에 올랐기 때문이었을까. 대대로 가문이 풀지 못한 과제에 큰 부담을 느끼고 있었지만 마거릿은 용기를 북돋아 주었고.
It's gonna rain. Better head back.
I didn't know you were there.
Yes, you did.
You're going to be the one to do it. To raise the shipwreck.
자신의 어려움을 외면하는 게 아닌 힘을 실어주는 여인이라니 이어는 결심을 세우게 되죠.
Yes. Be my duchess.
We have to promise for one another.
서로의 마음을 확인했겠다. 서둘러 마거릿의 부모님을 찾게 되고.
Ian, this is my father, George William. Cars have salvage rights, Daddy.
Granted by King James II.
Yes, and it's full of Spanish gold.
Raising it sounds a job. That's wild water.
The Royal Navy is sending their best men up for free.
딸을 위해서라면 못할 게 없는 딸바보 아버지와는 달리 어머니는 불편한 속내를 숨기지 않았죠.
Kev, I may be trapped in this chair, but I still hear things. He's a married man. My daughter, an adulteress, a round heel.
It's not adultery if the marriage is unhappy. It doesn't count.
You should be ashamed of yourself.
I'm in love with him.
George, you're now a patron of Clan Campbell. I've let my London club memberships lapse. You couldn't help me out at your place, could you?
이렇듯 제대로 장인어른을 부어 삼는 사이 이 소식을 뉴스로 접하게 된 이연의 아내는 멘탈이 박살. 이를 안타깝게 여긴 첫째 부인의 위로를 받게 되는 촌극이 벌어지게 되고.
Divorce him. Best thing I ever did.
Dear Margaret, congratulations. You win.
이연의 아내가 백기를 흔들며 두 사람이 드디어 정식 부부가 될 수 있었고. 드디어 꿈에 그리던 인버레리 성에 입성. 남들이 우러러보는 공작 부인의 삶을 즐기는 것도 잠시.
It's just to take this whole suite through that door and up to the second floor bathroom. I'm all confused.
수리비로 막대한 비용이 들어가는 건 물론이고 현실적인 문제들이 수면으로 떠오르기 시작하죠.
We're so happy that you're here. Such handsome boys.
Right, well, I'm going for a walk.
What, they've only just got here.
I know. Give you a chance to get to know each other.
예상한 대로 어색한 시간이 찾아왔지만 남편은 좀처럼 모습을 보이지 않았는데요.
Come to bed.
결혼한 지 얼마나 되었다고 부부관계를 피하기 시작. 그런데 이 문제는 빙산의 일각에 지나지 않았던 거죠.
The Navy were supplying the divers for free because they were interested in the project. And what mink coat from Worth?
Why are you being such a fucking wife? Honestly.
I'm not. This is serious, Ian. Those are writs.
So, let them come for me.
천문학적인 수리비와 난파선, 인양 작업까지 마거릿의 돈을 물쓰듯 쓰기 시작했지만 전혀 미안한 기색 따위는 느껴지지 않았고
Pay the bills. It's what you're for. I'm a monster, and I know I would be nothing without you.
How many men did I marry? I wonder which Ian I'm going to wake up to.
속는 셈 치고 관계를 회복하게 되고 마침내 엄청난 돈을 쏟아부은 인버레리성 복원 기념식당에
What a triumph, darling. It's all exquisite.
전혀 예상하지 못했던 손님을 보게 되는데요.
Oui, oui. How lovely to see you.
Oui, oui.
You made it marvelous. What do you think of the old place?
내 돈으로 산 밍크코트를 입은 전차를 남편이 보란듯이 초청해버린 것. 불편한 기색을 드러내보지만
But darling, Louise is the mother of my heir. It needs her stamp of approval.
And you didn't consider that it might upset me? What do you mean, can she see herself here?
My son will be Duke. Traditional to have one's old mum rattling around in one of the wings.
The home that I've built.
그럼에도 남편이 죽게 된다면 얄짤없이 성의 소유는 아들에게 넘어가 버린다는 사실. 마거릿의 뒤통수가 얼얼해지기 시작했고 이 불안한 싹을 잘라버릴 필요가 있었던 거죠.
I love you so much. I'm so happy my sons are yours, not Ian's. Your own Louise.
No peeking, it's a surprise.
I'm not peeking.
Turn right, you are peeking.
A cannonball.
Spanish Armada cannonball. Oh, my treasure would be somewhere safe.
Didn't I tell you you'd do it? Didn't I promise you you'd be the one to do it?
이제서야 투자한 보람이 있는 걸까. 장밋빛 미래가 손에 닿을 것처럼 다가오기 시작했고 이러한 행복을 영원히 빼앗기지 않도록 도와줄 비장의 카드가 도착.
What is it? It's a crank.
It's Louise's handwriting.
You're not to brood on it.
Not a word about this.
What on earth do you take me for?
Are you telling me you actually believe this?
It's your handwriting.
I've never written this. I've never stayed at l'Hôtel Saint-Mariette. I've never even heard of it.
Boys, my boys!
마거릿의 예상은 정확하게 적중. 둘 사이의 관계가 틀어진 타이밍을 놓치지 않았고
You're brooding. You should see some of the things that I get sent. Don't think about it.
위와 달리 사랑스런 아내의 전향을 보여주며 이연의 옆자리를 독차지하게 되지만 그것도 잠시.
Dave, you lost Ian, darling. Wife number one.
I paid for this party. The least you could do is not humiliate me. This is about doing what Ian wants. Because not doing what Ian wants is a sin. On the first night of our honeymoon, Ian took me to a brothel. Because, according to him, I had a lot to learn. And when the money runs out, because it will, the campaign to remove you will begin in earnest.
그럼에도 그건 너라서 일어난 일이라며 자신감을 드러내보지만 문제는 꽐라가 되어버린 남편이 차를 가지고 먼저 돌아가 버렸다는 사실.
I have a car. Well, it's a Volvo.
You are?
Peter Coon. Shall we?
Good night, Janet.
도무지 예측이 불가능한 남편 때문에 마거릿은 지쳐가기 시작하는데요.
That's new since I last saw you. Pain?
No,
Anything else?
I want to have a baby.
I am not certain you'd survive the labor. It could kill you.
그럼에도 마거릿은 포기하는 게 아닌 초강수를 두게 되죠.
Now I'm swearing you to absolute secrecy, Diana. I need you to buy me a baby boy. I'll pay. I'll pay very well.
내 아들이 성을 물려받아야 한다는 명분이었지만 사실 속내는 따로 있었고
Ian's sons aren't his.
How do you know?
Ian got a letter. Anonymous. They're some other man's sons. Passed off as Ian's by bloody wee-wee. She's completely vindictive. So Ian needs an heir.
설령 그게 사실이라 하더라도 사내 아이를 구해다 줄 수는 없는 법. 마거릿이 답답함과 불안함을 떨쳐내지 못하는 사이 연애 술주정은 늘어만 갔고
So glad you were free.
Darling, for you, I'm always free.
그럴 때마다 더더욱 밖으로 나돌며 소시적 버릇이 되살아나기 시작하던 그때
I loved your mother so much.
어머니의 죽음 이후 가세가 급격하게 기울어지기 시작하죠.
You shouldn't have let Yvonne go without discussing it with me first.
We can't afford her, Ian. We have to save money.
You think I want to do this? You think I want to debase myself advertising Argyle's sock?
If it pays well, why not?
Or you could give up this house.
그럼에도 갑작스런 해고 통보에 미안했는지 식사 대접을 하게 되고
Yvonne, can I ask you? You've known Ian longer than I have, and has he always been so impossible?
Although I don't see how you can tell that he's impossible. You're never with him. Going about with men half your age.
Oh, I see. So it's my fault.
I don't think you try hard enough. Your own husband forced to shill for mass-produced socks.
이렇듯 호의에서 시작된 자리는 결국 안 하니만 못한 자리가 되어버렸고
Come on, please, I beg you. We're nearly there.
금화가 가득 실려 있을 거라던 난파선 인양 작업은 자금난의 봉착. 결국 작업을 중단할 수밖에 없었고
Dr. John Petro for the Duke. He is expecting me.
모든 걸 쏟아부은 탓이었을까. 오늘 내일하는 상태가 되어버리죠.
You are a mess.
He's got a raging temperature and he's not making any sense. I saw that you prescribed amphetamines for the Duke. Have you given my husband this boost before?
Dukes, I'm here to treat your husband's pneumonia.
Which one of you lovers are you seeing this time?
If I thought it would help our situation, I'd ride the manager on all the clerks, like the Cheltenham winners.
How many men have you got?
Oh, at least 80. Probably more.
아내의 돈을 물쓰듯 탕진하는 남자와 남자 관계를 끊어내지 못하는 여자. 아웅다웅에도 천생연분이 따로 없어 보였고
Have you decided what you're going to do about wee-wee and the letter?
I went to Scotland Yard, spoke to a detective. He said that sort of thing happens all the time.
어쩔 수 없이 협박범이 다시 연락해 오기만을 기다려야 한다는 이야기. 자신의 작품이라는 게 들키지 않았다는 안도감도 잠시. 충격적인 뉴스가 마거릿을 기다리고 있었죠.
Don't tell me you didn't know, dear. The couple departed immediately for a honeymoon in Barbados. Your new stepmother's younger than you.
You're sure you're okay?
I feel silly telephoning you. I don't know what I was thinking. God, here he is.
Margaret, we could just have a quiet little dinner, just you and me.
No.
남편과의 소원한 관계와 어머니의 죽음, 그리고 나보다 어린 새엄마까지 이러한 헛헛한 마음을 베일에 쌓인 남자로부터 채우고 있었고 그와의 추억은 마거릿의 모든 비밀이 담겨있는 서랍장으로 보내지게 되고 마침내 문제의 그날을 맞게 되는데요.
Jane.
Lovely to see you. Hello.
아니나 다를까 나보다 어리고 예쁜 장모님에게서 눈을 떼지 못했죠.
Ian was drunk at lunch, and I see the way he drinks in the club.
Daddy?
Please don't ask me to bail Ian out again. I'll not throw good money after bad.
그리고 이 소식을 전해 들은 이안은 무언의 시위를 벌이기 시작.
It's especially sickening to watch you be completely charming to Jane and then foul to me.
Your old man's gonna need Spanish Fly to keep up with her. She's wasted on him.
What is the point of you? Your Grace.
그동안의 술주정과는 차원이 다른 폭력적인 모습. 기자들이 이러한 가십거리를 놓칠 리 없었고
Your Grace, any comment on the Duke taking a suite at Claridge? We've been told your marriage is over. Any comment?
Where is he? He doesn't want to see you, Your Grace. I want to see my husband. Please, don't make a scene.
남편에 대한 흔적을 그 어디에서도 발견하지 못한 채 며칠의 시간이 흐른 어느 날
Ian?
Please come.
그렇게 한 걸음에 파리로 날아가야만 했고 미운정 덕분이었을까 극진히 보살피게 되죠.
I don't know why I say and I do the things I do. I don't.
You frighten me sometimes, Ian. And you hurt me.
You wouldn't give me money. You would come behind my back and you would lie.
I think we can make it work between us. I really do. We have to be kinder. Stop doing terrible things to each other.
이연의 눈물 흘린 사과로 두 사람의 관계가 원래의 자리로 돌아가게 된 그날 밤. 안타깝게도 그건 철저하게 계산된 연기였던 거죠. 그런데 문제는 협박에 사용된 편지지만 있는 게 아니라는 사실.
My God, how beautiful you are. You want this marriage to work. And there are certain particular assurances I need. I know it was you. I know you forged those letters. Louise swore on our son's lives.
Well, then you're a fool, Ian. You're a poor
모든 내막을 알고 있다며 이혼 서류의 도장을 찍어줄 것을 당부하게 되지만 마거릿은 인정할 수 없었는데요.
I want you to leave.
But you will submit to that injunction. I've got the proof.
이내 곧 디언의 자신감이 허풍이 아니었단 걸 알게 되죠.
The date for the hearing has been set.
며칠 내로 이혼 절차가 시작될 거라는 이야기였지만 그건 시작에 지나지 않았고
You're not going to like it.
What are you doing, Ian?
I did what you asked.
You breached the law. You broke into my home and you stole private property.
이곳까지 한 걸음에 달려와야만 했던 건 성을 가득 채운 내 물건들 때문이기도 했지만 사실 더 신경 쓰이는 게 있기 때문이었는데요.
When do I get my things back?
Let's talk when I'm ready. Oh, and everything's locked away from prying eyes.
마거릿을 안심시키는 척 뒤통수를 제대로 치기 위한 새빨간 거짓말이었던
I'm
거죠.
only showing you this because you're my barrister.
Is this you?
It is her. She does photograph well, doesn't she?
은밀한 사진과 러브레터 그리고 모든 것들이 기록된 다이어리까지 마거릿을 공격할 아이템이 차고 넘쳤고
That's her sign. Bare-forked animal legs open for her legion of lovers.
The letters, the diaries, the image. They're not recent.
그런데 이 증거들은 마거릿의 과거일 뿐 간통의 증거가 되지 못한다는 이야기. 현재 진행형 증거가 필요하다는 말에 또다시 그녀의 집을 찾을 수밖에 없었는데요. 소송에서 이겨야 한다는 사실에 눈이 멀어 어린 딸까지 끌어들이고 있었던 거죠.
In the bedside table, middle drawer. Stop it! Stop it!
I've got it.
Sure.
Yes, I've got it.
마침내 지금 사용하고 있는 다이어리를 빼돌리는 데 성공하게 되자 이언은 상습 간통의 명목으로 이혼 청구 소송을 걸게 되고
They're lies, Daddy. It's all lies. Ian's lies. That Judge Wheatley who banned me from Imberera, I've heard that he's a member of Clan Campbell.
I don't want to learn it from the newspaper.
실망감을 드러내는 것도 잠시 현실적인 조언을 해야만 했고
So if anything were to happen, you wouldn't be left empty-handed. Painting, silver, antiques, Argyle heirs.
I'm not allowed to go back to the castle.
You've a right to remove what's yours.
아버지의 말을 따라 접근 제한 명령에 대한 항소를 제기 마침내 승소를 하게 되지만 야속하게도 일출부터 일몰까지만 하루라는 시간도 주어지지 않았고
It's dawn. Let's go. I'm gonna chop your fucking hands off!
Jesus fucking hell!
That's definitely mine. That's mine. I want all of my clothes, Dora, everything. And if he tries to stop you, kick him.
하나도 빠뜨리지 않겠다는 마음도 잠시 시간이 흐를수록 내가 뭐하는 짓인가란 자괴감이 몰려오기 시작하는데요.
We should be thinking about leaving.
그럼에도 좀처럼 떨어지지 않는 발걸음을 힘겹게 떼어보려던 그때
What is it?
Malcolm Kerr, chair of the board of trustees to the Argyle estate before the Duke inherited, while he was still with his previous wife.
난파선 인양 투저 당시 마거릿의 아버지 역시 담보를 잡았었는데 조지를 속이고 이중 담보를 잡았다는 이야기. 법률 자문을 받지 않은 패착이었던 거죠.
It's dusk. We have to go. Now.
결국 아무것도 챙기지 못한 마거리 마소송이라는 추광수를 두게 되고
On the grounds of his adultery.
It's my stepmother.
There will be no further comments at this stage. Thank you, gentlemen.
George, are you out of your mind? None of it's true. None of it.
Jane, you know what you did.
You have a witness to your husband's adultery with your stepmother?
Yes, of course, they're abroad at the moment. They're difficult to reach.
Your husband has cited Peter Coombe as one of the correspondents.
There's never been anything of that nature between us. I mean, it doesn't follow that I have affairs with every single man that I meet. Only so many hours in the day.
The gentleman in the Polaroid photographs, who's he?
The gentleman in the photograph is my husband.
He'll have to be examined to prove he's not the man.
거짓말은 또 다른 거짓말을 낳게 되고 그 덕분이었을까 아버지가 세상을 떠나는 비극까지 일어나며 힘든 시간을 보내야만 했고
Pubic hair is fascinating. Idiosyncratic as a fingerprint. Well then, Your Grace. Release the beast.
영국 최초 성기 검사까지 받는 웃지 못할 해프닝까지 벌어지게 되자 이언은 만남을 청하게 되죠.
What do you want, Ian?
I thought you and I should have a civil conversation.
서로에 대한 안부를 묻는 것도 잠시 어느새 대화의 주제는 원래의 자리로 돌아와 버렸고
Who's the chap in the photograph, by the way?
You were
Actually,
never
them on the
faithful
site.
to me, Ian, so let's not pretend that's who we are.
Can you prove it? Do you have love letters? Diaries? A photograph? Because I do. Pay me £250,000, but at least it will be all over.
역시나 돈이 목적이었을까. 위자료 명불에 돈을 준다면 소송을 취하하고 망신사를 피할 수 있을 거라는 의미였는데요.
Well,
See you in court.
그렇게 자신감을 드러냈지만 또 다른 악재가 마거릿을 기다리고 있었던 거죠.
Could you have bigger issues? The photograph of you and Peter Coombe.
I should have known that Ian would have me watched.
지금이라도 반소를 취하하자고 권해보지만 마거릿은 귀를 닫아버렸고 그렇게 영국 역사상 최고의 진흙탕 이혼 소송이 시작되었던 거죠.
Dr. Tulloch, a material piece of evidence against the Duchess is a Polaroid photograph. Dr. Tulloch, you examined the Duke to establish if this was so.
I did. But the person in the photograph was different from the Duke.
Thank you, Dr. Tulloch.
How would you describe your relationship with the defender?
의사에 이어 피터 쿰까지 초반부터 이언 측이 거세게 밀어붙이기 시작하는데요.
We're friends. That embrace is the embrace that friends give each other.
그는 마거릿에게 힘을 실어주게 되고 마침내 이언까지 증언대에 서게 되죠.
And did you notice anything in her diaries that took your attention particularly?
and the letter V. She signifies that intercourse occurred.
이어지는 피고 마거릿 측의 반격.
You had intercourse with the defender when you were married to your previous wife.
사랑의 시작이 불륜이었다는 점을 지적. 결국 당신이 원하는 건 돈이었다는 점을 집중적으로 공격하기 시작.
You weren't angry when the defender refused you money. Clear attacker. There were no occasions of violence.
No, no.
And stealing her diary. You drink, don't you? You drink to excess. Judgment his state of mind. And would cause his wife distress.
My wife, the defender, is unfaithful.
이러한 폭로전이 계속될수록 마거릿에게는 주옥 글자가 새겨지고 있었지만 그럼에도 물러서지 않았고 당당하게 증언대에 서게 되죠.
The letter V, your husband alleges, is a symbol for...
People who sent flowers, for example.
And the love letters?
Those are from before my marriage, especially if one's unhappy.
I must ask you about an explicit Polaroid photograph.
He did keep material of that nature. It was his fetish.
문제의 사진은 남편의 것이라며 모르쇠를 시전, 난처한 상황을 모면하게 되고
Have you ever been unfaithful to your husband?
No, never.
이어지는 이언 측의 반격.
I would like to ask you about the love letters. Comforting.
Yes.
My love and violent upsurges shake my body. Memories and others which will become truth soon. Comforting for most women would be a kind word.
결혼 전에 받았던 편지일 뿐이라며 의미 부여를 부정하지만 이미 설득력을 잃어버렸고 게다가 친구 사이라고는 느껴지지 않는 피터 쿰과의 다정한 사진까지.
And I embraced him because he's my good friend.
What is V?
I've already said it's
V is your cipher for intercourse, isn't it? You like to keep trophies of your conquest, and it is everywhere in your diaries. Because it isn't, flowers.
It's private.
Private. Innocent. Like the violent upsurges.
이때부터 마거릿의 멘탈이 조금씩 무너지기 시작. 변호사가 이 타이밍을 놓칠 리 없었죠.
You claim that she and your husband were having an affair. You are a liar, aren't you? But the woman in the photograph, isn't it?
Yes, it's me. Those are my pearls. That's my ring.
I believe I'm not the only one to have no further questions.
In this application for divorce on the grounds of adultery, concerning the Duchess, I consider her to be a highly sexed woman. Gratify a debased sexual appetite.
결국 마거릿의 패소, 이혼 측의 소송 비용을 마거릿이 부담해야만 했고, 이는 영국 여성이 대중매체를 통해 공개적으로 망신당한 첫 번째 사건으로 남게 되는데요. 그렇지만 마거릿은 27년이라는 시간이 흘렀음에도 부위의 의미와 사진 속 남자에 대해 입을 열지 않았다고 전해지죠.
Did he marry you for love or for money?
I knew I loved him. I knew I wanted to save Inverella desperately badly.